Hey, this is Oka Choi showing you our company's Queen cosmetic line, all natural, bring nature to the skin. Alright, so Essence and Ample is our main product, and I want to show you how I would combine it with the rest of the Queen line products. So I had a toner. I use that when I get lazy and I don't want to use anything else before bed, but I would use toner first, and then the essence. Spray the essence as generously as possible along the hairline, and then I use my serums. I had the Haylon and Vita C Serum, and I would put as Haylon first and then the Vita C. If you had the recovery, I would also put the recovery serum. If you don't have any of our serums, you can put any serum that you have, or you just skip this step without using a serum. And then I would use the Ample. You just need a couple of drops of the Ample. If you just started using our Essence and Ample, you need a lot more than what I'm using right now. I've been using it for 2 years, so I don't apply that much anymore. But in the beginning, on the first month, the Essence and Ample, to bring nature back to your skin, to restore your skin back, you do need to use a lot of it. We try to finish one set in 1 week, so we sell 4 sets for 1 month supply just for the first one, and after that you do not need to use anything like that. And continue to use our Essence and Ample is gonna really help in maintaining your skin natural, soft, baby-like. After the Ample, it's very important to spray the Essence again. Again, it's Essence, Ample, and Essence without any other products. So after the Essence, I just continue putting on a sun cream. Our Essence and Ample are highly recommended for anyone, men or women, boy or girl, who started using lotion, and who are elderlies who continue to use lotion on their skin. It works and it's effective. It really is the only Essence and Ample you can use. So the Freedra Sun Cream is what I had. I like that it's a skin tone, and it's very smooth when you put on your skin. The texture, all of the Queen line products are very gentle, very natural, and I really like how they don't just suck, make my skin very dry. They just, if not, everything adds moisturization to my skin. In fact, in the summer I would apply the BB cream next, and then the powder foundation to keep my skin dry. Otherwise, they keep your skin very soft and moisture, which I prefer in the winter. But in the summer, when it gets very humid, I do want to apply the powdered foundation to keep it a bit dry. And I do put eye makeup on, and that would be my next step. So if you have our products and want to know how to use them, just follow my steps, and you will see results, and they do bring back nature. I don't have any pimples in my T-zone anymore, and I wish you luck and use them effectively.